Hey everyone, this is Brandon with Ultimate Dent Repair, and I had the opportunity to work on this 2021 Jeep Wrangler Crease. You can see the light definitely shows the detail of the crease in its entirety. And I started this repair off with the glue pull process, just trying to minimize the amount of pushing that I would actually have to do, and there's a few of it after glue pulling. And I went through with the door tool and just pushed the metal out. Looks good from this angle, but we got to move the light to ensure for a complete proper repair. You can see there I'm just working the door. It was difficult because the dent was toward the bottom of the door and the material was aluminum, a little bit harder to work on. You can see the final result just came out wonderfully. Could not tell that the damage was there in the first place. This is the type of quality that you can expect with Ultimate Dent Repair. No paint involved, no body filler, just factory 2021 Jeep Wrangler. Please follow me on social media, on Facebook and Instagram at Ultimate Dent, and Twitter Ultimate_Dent. Thank you very much.